Ajayi. Nice meeting you today. We just received the delegates of the Ecowas based on West Africa. What is your take on the campaign against drug abuse?
It's the best thing that could happen. As a medical doctor of 34 years experience,
Wow.
The worst thing that can happen to anyone is to be on drugs. It affects the sensorium, it affects the cognitive ability, it turns either to useful people to non-entities, pure idiots. Just because somebody couldn't discipline himself away from a particular character affecting substance. So it's such a good one.
Okay. The youth in the world, from the world to Africa, West Africa, and then Nigeria, we've always been called leaders of tomorrow. You've met with a group of youths now, and you've been mentoring us and you've been talking to us after receiving your Kwame Nkrumah based on your antecedents. Where or in what area or when do you think the youth deviated from the line?
Did the youth really deviate? The adults. I'll give an instance of mine. In 1979, I was in the medical school. President Obasanjo was head of state that time. After that, President Buhari was head of state. Babangida came. And we were told then that we were the future of tomorrow, future leaders. I'm now 62 years old. And these guys are still around. So it wasn't due to me. The leaders of any generation are the ones that will determine whether the youth will be wasted or not. Not the youths.
Okay. On the area of female genital mutilation, which is another area of our campaign, what is your take on female genital mutilation? We were in Bayelsa State with Professor Balipe Fente, the Provost College of Health Sciences, Niger Delta University. And we're also in the village of even the president to talk to people about female genital mutilation. As young people, we feel that someday we'll get married, we'll have kids, we'll have female children. And so it is even better we already know that female genital mutilation is wrong. And what do you have to say about female genital mutilation and how it has affected some of your patients who you have treated over the years?
I would say it is a no. It is the most wicked thing anybody can do. Most wicked, most selfish of the men. All they do is cut away the clitoris of the woman. That's what gives the woman sexual pleasure. It must have been conjectured by some men who just want to keep their women from enjoying sex so that they cannot go anywhere else, but it won't affect the men. It is the most terrible, most horrendous thing to happen to a woman. It's wrong, totally wrong.
What is your final advice to youths in the area of leadership and of course in entrepreneurship, youths in Nigeria and West Africa?
Leadership. Don't let any generation of leaders take your future from you. My generation suffered that. We were the future leaders of tomorrow, we were told. Obasanjo was head of state. When I became an adult, real adult up to almost retirement point, Obasanjo was still there. And somebody else almost as old as him took over. My generation has been cheated. Don't allow anyone to cheat your future of you. It is not with a fight, not with violence, but rise up. Rise up. Improve yourself. Increase yourself. Be more relevant.
Maybe we should build our capacity.
Go ahead. Yes, do that. Capacity building. Stop taking drugs. Stop just going around with violence. Stop cheating in exams. If you do, you will meet it upwards. Because education is a block. You build from one to the next to the next. If a rung is missing, you will miss it upstairs. So the youth should put themselves together, be more sensible, be more capacity building oriented, be more, what can I say? They should think more, be more supportive, be more patriotic, but don't allow anyone to cheat you of your future. Put your feet down, do what is right, be brilliant, contribute, don't be violent, be sensible.
Doctor, I want to thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
God bless you, sir.
And you too. Thanks very much.